Welcome everybody. How you doing? Welcome back to another live show here at Investopia. Super excited. Don't bet against Bitcoin. That's right. Don't bet against Bitcoin. I'm right here with you. Arts are moving just as we predicted. I know people are in our community are so excited about what's taking place there with some of our trades and some of our predictions when it came to our altcoins, Bitcoins. Just a happy community. And if you want to be a part of our community, just all you got to do is click on the description below and ask to be a part of our community. You can also email us at the wealth building email address, and we can get you into the Telegram where you can get these signals and get this information that people are getting. You can also get educated as well. You get educated with the Envision U Academy. What an amazing academy from basic to intermediate to advanced for those who want to become the signal. You want to learn about these markets. You want to learn about crypto. You want to be educated, so you can definitely get some information with our FL2 program, financial literacy. It's in the description below, as well as if you want to trade with me, there's a link that you can get $25 free Bitcoin if you want to trade with me. We got people signing up on the app. We got people signing up with the link, the number one capital market, so you can actually trade with me. They're giving $2,800 bonus as well if you want it to help with you once you get started. All you got to do is take one trade. You want to upload $100 onto the site, fund it with $100, take one trade. Doesn't matter if you win the trade, lose the trade, you get that free Bitcoin. So who wants that free Bitcoin? Let's go. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. Super excited. How many of you guys got your SHIB on? How many SHIB army? Where's our SHIB army? Where's our Shiba? You know, that was one of the top 10 that we put out as a video. My top 10 altcoins put out here on our page. You go check it out. Those predictions were amazing. They were amazing, and they're doing quite well. And we're just now, getting started a little bit here with this bull run. Bitcoin has gone parabolic, and it is, I think, on some exchanges have confirmed an all-time high. So we're going to take a look at it. We'll get right on into it. Let's go ahead into it and share the screen. You guys can see the screen. We'll go right on into it. As you can see right here, crypto liquidations cross 550 million as Bitcoin remains volatile ahead of historic highs. What does that mean? We got naysayers, guys. We've got naysayers that are betting against Bitcoin. Yeah, I learned 8 years ago when I got into this crypto space. Don't bet against Bitcoin. You can track success. And you can see over the time, Bitcoin was once 17 cent. 67 cents a dollar, and we're breaking all-time highs over 69K. Okay, so I would not bet against Bitcoin. You'll have your highs, you'll have your lows, but 550 million as Bitcoin remains volatile, meaning it has a goal. Bitcoin's going to do what Bitcoin wants to do. Meme futures took on nearly 90 million in liquidations as prices corrected after massive rally in the past week. So what does that mean? People are using your altcoins for a purpose. There's two things you use altcoins for, that in opinion. in my opinion, use altcoins to live for today, buy some nice things with profits, and take those investments in the investments that are taken out before you get your profits and put it back into the market and buy more Bitcoin, to produce a bigger portfolio. So you look for great altcoins that have projects. Maybe they just starting up. Maybe what do they have for the future? What is the market cap? What do the community looks like? And I'm going to be talking about on my next show about a project that I'm going to be investing in. That's right, before it goes public. So if you want to be on that show, make sure you like and subscribe to our page. That's right. We want to get in before the public get in. And there's a couple of projects that I'm looking to invest in right now before we really see these altcoins take off. And you can have a chance to be a part of that as well. Well, let's go ahead and look at our Shiba Inu. Our Shiba Inu influencers, Oscar Ramos, has sparked discussion with the Shiba Inu community with his bullish prediction. For the meme coin's price. Ramos believes SHIB's recent rally strengthens the possibility of his asset reaching, 3 zeros and a 1. Ladies and gentlemen, you can do the math for those who have been hanging with Shiba. 3 zeros and a 1 is going to bring back some major returns, 50x, 100x. It's going to be huge if this happens. Within the current market cycle, this market cycle here, with the halving this year, 2024, 2025, this prediction comes after Shiba Inu's price climbed to 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 2, 7 in 24 hours, reaching levels last seen in early 2022. Now, in our Telegram, we had our first hit with Shiba Inu, 4 zeros and a 4-7, and that's where we were going to take profits. It is there. It did it. It broke right through it, and we'll take a look at that as well. But our community is very, very, very excited about what's taking place with Shiba Inu. People have tripled their investments, doubling their investments when we call this particular trade. Some been holding with us all throughout the bear market. We've been staking. I mean, it's been a lot of great information for those who hung with Shiba Inu. So I'm really excited about this happening. And what you want to do is you want to share this, so people can see, because they could still be a part of the next run here with the cycle with Shiba Inu. But don't wait till you get to the top. Don't wait till you get to the top. Please don't wait till you get to the top. There is another coin that our community got, and it's called Floki. I don't know if any of you guys got that coin, but that was a coin that wasn't mentioned in the top 10, but it was in our portfolio. And if you're watching and you're in our community and you've got some Floki, oh my God, I know you are excited. Let's look at Floki right now. Whoo-wee. What an explosion. I know you can get Floki on crypto.com. We just been waiting for this to happen. A beautiful V right here. See that V? Nice little correction, and then blast off. And I believe that, it's creating all-time highs right now. So this is huge. And I wouldn't buy it right here, but I would definitely kind of see when Bitcoin gives us that 20, 25% reversal. Okay, or it could be 40%. We'll see. But this would be an area where I would like to beef up my leg. Check out this between the golden zone here, right here. We'll create the golden zone. All right. Something like that. So. All right. That's my dogs. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Go. 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 All right. So this would be a good another spot right here to at least see if you do not have any floki. This would be a nice buy opportunity right here. Okay, so check this out. We'll actually put the signal in the chat, but this is floki here, man. It is up, and I'm super excited about that. Let's go ahead and take a look at some crypto bubbles here right now, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man, Pepe wasn't in my top 10 too, but it was in our community. We had it. See, you'll get the secrets in our Telegram community, so you definitely want to be a part of our Telegram. Link is in the description below. All right, talk to the administration. They'll let you get in. Pepe is up 227% for the week. SHIB is up an amazing 279%. Bonk is up 142. Look at our Doge. Doge is up 94%. Crow's up 56%. Bitcoin Cash, I tell you, nobody's talking about that. How many of you guys have Bitcoin Cash? How many of you guys got Litecoin? I mean, they're just going to follow suit. They're going to just do whatever Bitcoin does. They're going to do whatever Ethereum does. Look at this. Bitcoin Cash up 45%. I know we've got people that are in our Telegram. 19% with Litecoin. Okay. There is another coin that I'm looking for. I know Ordi is up 24%, Solana's up 20%. XLM. We've got people in our Telegram that's got XLM that's 22.9%. Gala is up 30%. Look at this. Uniswap up 21.5%. Arbiter 8.2%. That was in my top 10. Okay, you got Mana. There are so many projects out here right now that are doing so good. And if you stuck with it, you're feeling quite happy right now. All right, let's look at the fear and the greed. Fear and the greed is at 90, ladies and gentlemen. We're at the all-time high. Money still coming in. People are getting the FOMO. And this is why Bitcoin did a psych on you when people thought at that all-time high on some exchanges, these sales were liquidated because of its volatility. New money, retail money, institution money is coming in. And so Bitcoin is going to do what it wants to do. You just have to be ready when it does what it wants to do. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, really, really excited about that. Just really excited about everything that's happening in crypto space right now. We talked about the fear and the greed. We talked about crypto bubbles. Let's talk about our returns here. Right now in the first quarter, we're still at 59.45%. Guys, that is strong. In 2023, in the first quarter, got to 71.7%. So we're on our way. We're definitely on our way. As we can see in March, we got a third green month. so far, 10.42%. So those who have been investing in the crypto space, crypto and Bitcoin, you're up 10.42% since the beginning of this year. This is phenomenal. Let's go ahead and get into some TA. You guys want to go ahead and get into some TA real quick? Let's go ahead and do that as well. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum right now is just creating lows and highs, lows and highs, highs and lows, lows and highs. But this channel is creating this ascending channel right now, and it is just creating lows and highs and lows and highs. So let's look at it here. It is rocking. And the next, we'll look where it is going here on daily. We could put in some highs. We could put in some highs. It's testing this high right here and testing high right here. And we've got a lot of red over there that it is just on a tear right now. And its all-time high is 4,859. Let's go to the weekly, make sure here. So yeah, it's our weekly. And right now, of course, we've got amazing green candles. Amazing green candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green candles. We get a 6 green candle. I mean, we should see fear and greed indicator over about 99. It might be at 100. But every time these candles open up above the next candle, we're going to see a potential move up for that week. And it is just tearing right now, heading toward 38K. And so what I would do, I would wait for some pullbacks. I will wait for some pullbacks on the smaller time frame. Watching the 61.8 and the 78.6. Ethereum likes to go back to as well. But right now, we're just in an amazing parabolic state and it's shooting to the moon. So somewhere in this area, if we do get, if it doesn't break, this comes back and we're looking at about 5%. If it comes back at least 5% to our 61 in our golden zone, could be a possible entry there, or you can take a small entry here if it pulled back about 3%, okay, and then keep a nice little tight stop loss. So maybe somewhere in this area right here, as it probably gears up to want to break this 38K. Look for maybe a nice little pullback and maybe just kind of liquidate some buy orders, some stop losses, and then come back in that channel. Yeah, it could be really tight. That's on the 1 hour, but on the 30-minute, you can see it's still above my haul here, but we may still get maybe a small little pullback. Keep us in this cloud some wicks here, some liquidation here, some liquidation here. Someone, lot people tried to sell here. You can see it took out as it continued to climb these stairs. So this will be a nice little area to take another potential buy opportunity, keeping a real tight stop loss. And it'll be probably a 3-to-1 risk ratio, a little bit, almost 4-to-1 risk ratio. So that's pretty good. I like that for Ethereum. So that's Ethereum. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at our Bitcoin. Bitcoin did give us another buy entry. I know some people on the team that are in it created a nice little flag over the night. Okay, nice little flag over the night and gave us another buy entry. So we've got a buy entry right here. And people are betting on Bitcoin. Looks like right now they're winning. And we're looking for Bitcoin to on exchange on trading view. We're looking for Bitcoin to break that 69. Now let's see on let's look at Bitcoin on Bybit. On Bybit, it already has smashed the all-time high. Here it's 60. Yeah, confirmed 7. It's like really, yeah, 70K on Bybit. 70K on Bybit. All right, and then nice little pullback. Okay. Those who trade futures on Bybit, you can see it gave us another little buy opportunity. So it is already creating and challenging this new high. So if you got in down here, that was a perfect spot to get in right here. So overall, those are probably taking some profits in this area after it broke that all-time high. But it looks like it's continuing to go up, and I'm excited about that as well. I still have my limit orders. I might have to pull my limit orders up because even if it give us that 40% return, Bitcoin gives us that 40% return. Let's go back. Gives us that 40% return. Let's go to a cleaner sheet here. 40% return. %40 return from where it is right now is 40K. So I know we had limit orders at 38, 32, 31. That's over 50% return back to 31, about 54%. So I don't think Bitcoin's going to reverse and go 50%. We're getting very close to the halving. I do believe we're going to get a small little pullback. We get a small little pullback and then a little dip, and it may give us 25 to maybe 40, 20, 25% could be 49, as much as 40% would be at 41K. So I would put some limit orders there. If you're going to spot trade this, limit orders around 42, 41, 38, 39, just in case. So you don't miss out on the next discount that Bitcoin is going to give, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so I believe that is it. Let's take a look. We can take a look at Pepe. We could take a look at Pepe. Boom, 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 boom. Those who got in Pepe with us, you can see it created another all-time high, and we're taking out some profits on there as well. Those who trade with us, we took profits on that as well. It got to our first, there it is, 0.00004 was our first level to take profits. We also took some profits at 0.00001, 4 zeros and a 1, 7. And then our next level was 4 zeros and a 4. And then our next level is going to be 4 zeros and a 7. So, ladies and gentlemen, that particular article, this is all before we're really getting alt season going. So I truly believe that we can get and break this all-time high here that everybody was excited about in 21. Let's go ahead and this would be the level to break. This would be the level to break. And then we burn another 0. And boom, we'll be at 3 zeros and a 1. So that is, that looks easily done with all of the new money coming into this space, as well as the project, the layer 2 for SHIB as well. So again, ladies and gentlemen, super excited. Hopefully you enjoyed being on the show today. And as you know, we are on here doing our best, a new channel trying to bring out clarity and information in the space of crypto and the foreign exchange market. This was pretty much Crypto Session Live, but we'll get some more information out to you as well as we continue to build up our information and knowledge and our platform. Let's get to 50 subscribers. We're at, I think the last I checked, 42. Let's get to 50 subscribers. We appreciate all of you. Like the page, turn your notification bells on. Don't forget, if you want to trade with me, the link is in the description below. Number One Capital Markets. Also, make sure you're trading with our number one proprietary app with Envision You as well. Get hooked up and get educated with our company. If you need information about that, email me at the Wealth Building email address. The link is in the description below. All right, guys, take care and see you on the next session.